Why is everyone buying this specific treadmill in droves? Well, I was doing product research last week and I decided on this treadmill. So I figured that all out for you. First thing I want to say, super innovative. I've tested out probably about 20 of these under the desk treadmills. Never seen one that actually makes your remote a watch. Super easy to use. A couple things I want to show you. Super lightweight, has nice wheels on the front, but lightweight, but a much sturdier design than most of these. This has a much sturdier design, a little bit of a thicker base where you can actually step on the end rails. You can see, here's where you're going to see everything, distance, time, speed, calories, all that kind of stuff. And then there's another very cool thing about this treadmill that most of them don't have, a very simple and easy to use incline. All you do, as you can see, is pull this out and that goes down and that gives you an incline. All you do is do that on both sides here. You can see, pull it out, automatically goes in place, and then you just lock it in place. Now you're walking at an incline, and that gets you a much easier calorie burn. You can see here, I hit the on button. Here we're showing the walk. This thing goes all the way up to 4 miles per hour. I can tell you, if you're using this for an under the desk treadmill while you're working, do not use it at 4 miles per hour. But I wanted to show you that it actually goes a lot faster than what you need it for. I love the incline. It's got a super sturdy pad, very nice grip, no give at all, so it's very smooth on the track. I love how easy it is to use on your wrist, straight up. And the other thing is basically, hey, trying to do a review, dude. I'm trying to get money for your dog food. Hey, stop. All right, I don't care if he barks. We're finishing the review. So at the end of the day, I think the two top reasons people are buying this is because it's selling like crazy and there's a lot of positive reviews. That's why I got it. It works really well. Highly recommend.